everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning, motivation, and lifestyle videos. Today I'm going to be doing something very quick. I created a homeschool room in the basement, which didn't really work out too well because now we're never down there. And with school about to start the first week of September, and we are doing the virtual learning route, I need to create something that she feels comfortable being in, that I'm in close proximity. And I decided to turn this little nook into the new homeschool area. So I need to get that together. Like I said, it starts the first week in September. Basically what I'm going to be doing is just transferring a lot of stuff from downstairs to upstairs. It is a smaller area, but if you want to see how the downstairs turned out, I'll go ahead and link that up here and in the description box below. I want to do it early because I kind of want to get her started back on the routine of being in school. So before school starts, she's actually going to be doing some work to get her back in practice, get her mind, back working. So let's go ahead and get this done. So this is the little nook area. Right now I just have a chair. I brought up the desk already that I want to put in here. I'm probably gonna be moving this right this is going downstairs. I'm not a fan of the lighting. There is a window right here, and then that's a bathroom, so it works out. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this moved, this put here, and then I'll probably put 2 bookcases up with some supplies. And then I'll play it by ear. So I went to the Dollar Tree and got some more stuff for like her homeschool area. So I got this pink border. I'm gonna show up my mic. How much is it? No, you can tell the difference. Yeah, so I got this pink border, and then I also got these signs. So it says focus on the goal and reach for the stars. Of course, for the color scheme, the reach for the stars one is probably gonna go with this border. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use the other one. Then I picked up, it wants to come out the bag. I picked up some more of these little cubicle things. Is this the right size? This might not be the right size. Oh crap. Anyways, they're gonna be used anyway. So I picked up some more cubicle things to hide any clutter, the mess. I also got her some binders. So this one is just little arrow design. And then I picked up unicorn one. Of course she likes unicorns, so unicorn baking. That's cute. And then I got these because I don't know if I want to hang these from the ceiling, even though it is schooling. I wanted to make it look fun for her. So that is what I got. Oh, I also got, I picked up these hangers. They're velvet. They come 2 in the pack, and I picked up 6 of them. The non-slip velvet ones, so I can hang some stuff here in the closet. This is what we're looking like so far. The pictures are hung. Very unorganized at the moment. And then you come over here. So I brought her thing from upstairs. Of course, it has it was wider, so it was 3. Or was it 2? No, it was 2, but I had to overlap these to make it fit in this space. So the A and the Y for today had to be taken off, so I need to readjust those. I did do glue dots. Everything else still pretty much is the same. I have this so she can just look up and see the date, and then I need to take this down because she actually has a homeschool schedule. And I think I'm going to put the sign up there with the border, and then of course right here in the ceiling I want to do the little fun balls, and then here I'm not exactly sure. I'm just going to play it by ear. And then I have holes here or nails here because I have this frame, and I created some affirmations for her. Let's see if I can find them. I need to organize this stuff. We already picked up her iPad and her school stuff. Where are you? Oh, here we go. Okay, so created this for her, and I'm gonna hang this up so she can read it every day. It's my affirmations, and this is what I gave her just to keep her positive, because this is going to be a lot for her. It's not just an adjustment for the parents, but kids actually go through a lot of stress for distant learning as well. So I'm trying to do everything I can to prevent that. So now I'm just going to be taking the things that I got from Dollar Tree and trying to organize these bookshelves by putting up the new cubbies, putting her binders in, and trying to hide some of the clutter. I'm also going to be opening the posters and trying to figure out how I'm going to display that. Along with that, I am going to put together the little pink pom-poms. They do require some fluffing or assembly, if you will. This is a project that I found on Pinterest. This is just a piece of leftover 2x3, 2x4, 2x3 from their bed that I had made previously for their room. And basically what I'm going to do is make a DIY pencil holder. So these are the materials that I'm using. I don't know what it's called. I just know it makes the holes. And now that I've done this, this is my first time actually doing it. There are so many things that I should have done differently. Like, I probably shouldn't be on the carpet with this, probably on a hard surface, and then you can see the mess that it's making. So it probably would have been best if I did it outside, and then it probably would have been best if I used a bigger drill thingy. But considering that it's only a 2x3 or 2x4, I couldn't make the holes that wide. If I had a thicker piece of wood, which I will do next time, if there is a next time, then I will have a bigger hole so each hole can hold more than one pencil or pen. It probably would have been best if I marked and measured my holes so it can be symmetric and in the center of the wood. It wasn't. I was kind of like eyeballing it and freehanding it. It doesn't look that bad, but if you a perfectionist, then you might want to do that beforehand. So this is what it looks like. The next thing I'm going to do is take it outside and add a coat of spray paint to all sides. So this is what it looks like after I spray painted. I did not want full coverage, but this is what I got. Next, I am going to add some teeth, I think you call them teeth, to the back and hang it on the wall. And here is the final product.